Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced crashing. Then you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Racing not launching on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. You're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on Intel first, and then I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. You're going to come here, click onto Support Download Center. Then you're going to click onto Graphics here. You're going to search for a graphics card here, Intel Arc B580 for example. And then you're going to download the latest Intel AR drivers on your computer and install them. Now onto AMD. Come here, click onto Resource and Support. Click onto Driver. You're going to scroll down, click onto Graphics Radeon RX, select the graphic card series and then model. Click Submit. Click on the operating system and download the latest AMD and drivers on your computer. Now onto NVIDIA. Come here, click onto Driver. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So, select the graphic card series and then model along with your operating system. Click Find then, and then it will look for the latest GFS Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to install the drivers on your computer, and then you're going to restart it. After you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right-click on Assassin's Creed, click onto Properties, Install Files, and then you're going to click onto Verify Integrity Game Files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files, and then you're going to click onto Browse here to go into Assassin's Creed Games folder. Or, if you want to know where the location is, you're going to open up your Explorer. You're going to go to your Steam's folder, and then Steam Library. Now, Steam Apps, Common, and